Ever looked up at the sky and seen a single drone buzzing by? Pretty cool, right? Now imagine not one, not 10, but hundreds, even thousands of drones, all flying together in perfect harmony. Like a flock of birds or a school of fish, but made of metal and circuits. This isn't science fiction, it's the incredible world of drone swarms. But coordinating that many drones is a massive challenge. How do you make sure they all work together, don't crash into each other, and complete their mission without a single point of failure? Traditionally, you'd need a powerful central computer, a leader drone, or a ground station telling every single drone what to do. But what happens if that leader gets disconnected, hacked, or simply malfunctions? The entire mission could fall apart in an instant. The whole swarm could go rogue or just drop out of the sky. It's a huge vulnerability, especially for critical tasks like search and rescue in remote areas or monitoring vast farmlands. This is where a revolutionary technology, one you might already know from the world of finance, comes into play: blockchain. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Blockchain. Isn't that for Bitcoin and digital money? And you're right. That's where it started, but the core idea of blockchain is much bigger than just finance. At its heart, a blockchain is a decentralized, unchangeable, and transparent digital ledger. Think of it like a shared digital notebook that every drone in the swarm has a copy of. When one drone wants to share information like its position, its next move, or what its sensors are seeing, it adds a new entry to the notebook. This entry, or block, is cryptographically linked to the previous one, creating a chain. And here's the magic: before that block is added, the other drones in the network must agree that the information is valid. This process of consensus means no single drone can lie or make a mistake without being caught by the others. It's a system built on trust, but without needing to trust any single individual. It's trust by mathematics and consensus. So, how does this solve our drone swarm problem? By using blockchain, we can get rid of that single point of failure. There is no central leader. Instead, the entire swarm becomes a decentralized, autonomous organization. Each drone communicates directly with its peers on the blockchain network. They can collectively decide on a flight path, divide up a search area, or adapt to changing conditions in real time. If a drone discovers something important, like a lost hiker during a search and rescue mission, it logs that data onto the blockchain instantly. Every other drone in the swarm knows the hiker's location and can converge to help or relay the information back to human operators. This makes the swarm incredibly resilient. If one drone gets damaged or loses connection, the rest of the swarm doesn't miss a beat. They simply continue the mission, reorganizing themselves based on the shared, trusted information on the blockchain. It's a self-healing, self-organizing system, and because the blockchain is secure and tamper-proof, it's incredibly difficult for an outsider to hack the swarm and take malicious control. They would have to overpower the consensus of the entire network simultaneously, which is practically impossible. The applications for this are mind-blowing. Imagine a natural disaster. A swarm of blockchain-coordinated drones could be deployed to map the damage, locate survivors, and deliver emergency supplies, all without needing a stable internet connection or a central command center on the ground. In agriculture, a swarm could precisely monitor crop health, apply water or fertilizer exactly where needed, and share data to create a perfect, real-time map of an entire farm, boosting efficiency and sustainability. From complex infrastructure inspections to creating dazzling light shows in the sky, decentralized coordination makes drone swarms smarter, safer, and more capable than ever before. We are witnessing the fusion of two futuristic technologies, creating a system that is greater than the sum of its parts. It is a powerful reminder that the innovations driving cryptocurrencies have the potential to reshape industries far beyond finance, reaching all the way into the skies above us. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how technology is shaping our future. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What other uses can you think of for blockchain-powered drone swarms? Let's discuss. Until next time, stay curious.